Morning, everyone. Jason from Hedge Plus with a weekly look at the livestock markets. Cattle prices tanked yesterday. I say tanked, but it's like we're still at really high price levels. So it was long overdue from a correction. If you get my marketing commentary that can be emailed to you or on our website, you should take a look at a trial at that, by the way. I did say yesterday that we were overdue for a correction, and it's not like it's sparked by much. You can blame the dollar index rallying or tariffs going into effect, leading to uncertainty. But just it can't go. Markets just don't go straight up every single day, even though cattle, it's definitely felt like that. Best thing to do right now, go way under the market, buy some put options that are reasonably valued, get yourself some coverage so you're there if this thing ever just totally drops out of bet. I don't see that happening. It's not like consumers are shying away from higher beef prices. When you go out to eat, I'm sure you still order meat and steak and people still want their protein in their diet. It's not like that's going away and the consumer's not backing down, but at some point, high prices are the cure for high prices. So we're not necessarily rebuilding the herd or anything. It's cattle on feed report from last Friday, a week ago. Still very bullish. But at some point you get the positive news factored in. That's how markets work. So look at put options, go way under the market if you have to, because at some point we could fall $20, $40, whatever, and still be at pretty good prices historically. But at least you kind of got your butt covered on what's unsold, or at least you'll add some value in the hedge account. The hog market had a good back off a couple days ago, but I don't think it's going to fall apart when you got beef prices doing what they are. We had a really strong export report yesterday for pork. Mostly Mexico stepping up their purchases. They got their tariff deadline extended, so not a lot of demand concerns there. I think the hog market wants to see a deal with China and the U.S. That seems far off again. But if we get some of these contracts like in October to 95 or December to 85, that's just a solid price. Hopefully you can make money there. That's where you want to target sales or covering downside risk in the hedge account. So have a good rest of the week. I'll be back next week. Thanks.